Hello people, check it out. New tool here. I've been looking at the old version of this knife sharpener. I saw it in Northern Tool, and I didn't even know they made this new one, but this isn't even new anymore. Hell, this came out probably 2014 or 15, something like that. But it's a Kin Onion Work Sharp knife sharpening system. And it's just a belt. It's got a variable speed button here, and you can lock it, turn this to change the speed, and you can lock it on right here. Hit the button, and it has different attachments you can get for it too. But let me see here. But it comes with these different belts. You got your aggressive grit, medium grit to a fine grit, and then this is almost like a strop type of thing. And I think this is the finest one. And then that's the strop. Now here's the setup I've been using, which is a lot of work to get going. What is it here? I forget what it's called. Shit. The Lansky system. And it's a lot of setting up. You got these deals here. You got the stones, and you got to put it on here with the knife clamped in here. It's a lot of work to set it up. It really is. But I mean, it gets the job done, but not as good as what I've had with this new one already. But that's what I've been using. So I did my Spyderco Tenacious with it. This is dirty. I carry this everyday carry knife. But I did it real quick. I sharpened it real quick when I got this. Not really doing much with it, and you can see it's pretty darn nice. And like I said, I barely did anything. I have a lot more work to do with this edge. But very impressed with this sharpener. Let me show you. I'm not going to show you everything how to do it. There's a lot of videos out there showing in very much detail how to do it, but I want to do my 8-inch chef's knife, and you can do, oh, right here you have the different degrees. You just turn this dial up to the top is where you want it. So it's set for 25 right now. So that's how you adjust that, and then your knife is going to go right here. Let me get this angle right here. There. This turns, this whole thing turns. You push this in and turn it. Different angles, and this is how you get the belt off. You push here, and you pull the belt off, turn your blade guide off. But if you here's what you're going to do. You're basically pulling the knife through here. It's got the guide set up for you. You don't put any weight on it. You just let the weight of the knife drag across here. A second per inch, they say. So an 8-inch knife would be a 8-second pull through here when I get it going. And once you get to here, I will tell you that once you get halfway to your blade to the edge of the belt, turn it off, and then stop. Otherwise, you're going to round the tip off. So you're just going to stop it here every time. Stop it there, and turn the motor off every time. Don't drag it all the way out. Let me show you how sharp this one is here. I haven't sharpened it in a while. It's actually sharper than I thought it was. But this knife holds a great edge. It's a what the hell is it? Victorinox, and it's been a great knife. It's the only kitchen knife I really use. But let's see what we can do to it. Here's a good guide. It comes with it. It explains how sharp is your knife here. What are you going to use it for? Shows you the different sandpapers to use, whatever they're called. Kitchen knife, and then you follow the chart down. You know, how sharp is it? Worthless, dull. It kind of helps you know. It tells you how many swipes to strokes to pull it on each side. So 4 to 8. So we're gonna say this one is. Let's see. We'll just say it's dull, so we're going to start with the 65 and then the 22. Right here. So 4 to 8 each. With, which one is it? That's not the 65. The colors are kind of hard to see. You got these two. That's going to be the 65, so let's put this on here. That's it. And then you kind of bump it to check the blade, make sure it's centered here up top. On that pulley there's an adjuster somewhere here. I remember right here to get that pulley's trying to go to one side or the other, or the belt on the pulley. You can adjust it. That's pretty good there. All right, check it out. So if you have a contoured blade, you're gonna turn your blade up at that angle it's at. It, you know, kind of slowly. You're not just gonna pull it straight through. This one just turns at the end, so I'll kind of just lift it like that at the end. But I just want to show you a couple times here. We want a medium to low speed, it tells you too. Low speed, actually, we want. That isn't low. That's low. Alright, you ready? Get you in a better, let's get you a better angle here. Pushing hard, let the weight of the blade do it. I didn't stop. Let's take 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Just letting the weight of the blade go. Let's do the other side. 4. For each. See that edge at all. Feels a little bird on this side. Alright, I'm going to change the to the next one. Change the belt. Now we're going to alternate with this one. I forgot to set it to 20 degrees. Oh boy. Alright, I'm gonna start over, but you get the idea. Alright, I just went back over it 5 times on each side with the at the right angle this time. With the rougher grit, and it's definitely made a difference. Because that's the edge that's used to having a 20 degree. So I spared you the details of watching all that, so we'll just do a couple times. This one again. Supposedly these belts last a long time. They don't just wear down the edge. The edges are all the way through and through. Alright, so we're going to alternate again. Get your guide out. Let's see here. It's shaving. Let's see what we got on the paper here. Get a new piece. When you do the finer, there's one more finer one that'll really get it going. Actually, there's 2 more I haven't done. Yeah, see, it's still not there. Fuck, it's duller than it was. Alright, a couple more with this and see how we are. Why does it sound like it's sped up again? That ain't bad. It ain't bad. See if I can get you to look at that edge. So there it is. I'll leave a link. Amazon has these at the same price that I paid at Northern Tool. It's like $129 right now. And it's got different attachments. You can do chainsaw or axe blades, you know, axes, machetes, lawnmower blades, all kinds of stuff. Scissors, it'll do scissors on here too, right here already. So that's cool. I haven't tried it. That's it. Just want to show you the new sharpener. It's going to be nice having sharp knives all the time, easily done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.